Dripping like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Today, I'm in downtown Toronto because I'm going to show you in my video the beautiful city of Toronto. Right now, I'm at Phillips Square, the home of the City Hall of Toronto. I've been living here in the city for the past 14 years of my life. So, come with me and I'm going to show you the beautiful city of Toronto, Canada. Toronto is the largest city in Canada and the fourth in North America. It's the capital of the province of Ontario, a center of international business, finance, arts, and culture. Toronto has a very diverse and multicultural living that is known all over the world. Toronto has a population now of over 6 million people.
Dripping like gold. You got me so wild. Dripping like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. You got me so wild. I'm out of control. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. You got me so wild. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. Dripping like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold.
It turns into different colors. Yeah. Oh, look at the color. It's turning into different colors. Ooh. My beautiful Toronto. Mask is essential. Here's the entrance of Eaton Centre. Let's go. I haven't been here in the past maybe 3. These are the Watts stores here. There's Omega, there's Breitling, you name it, they have it. They have different watches, luxurious brands, Swiss watches, like these guys, like Dior. It's the same color as my shirt, Sephora, black and white. So I got this thing from Sephora. It says eyeliner, brush up, liquid eyeliner. So from now on, I'll be using this. This is worth $21.47. That's the price. Hi! I'm at Yorkdale right now. This is one of the most luxurious malls here in Toronto. And I'm going to show you the different luxury brands and shops here. So come on, let's go inside. There's a lineup at Louis Vuitton. If you want to buy good perfume, fragrances, lotion and everything, Jo Malone. Very nice, very fragrant, and it lasts more than 24 hours in your body. Ooh, Jo Malone. Chloe is what?
Chloe is fancy clothes.
It's expensive?
Yeah.
Oh, Tumi, expensive luggages. You know what? I should get new luggages because mine were already given to the donation. And it's time to run.
How do you say that?
Piaget.
Piaget.
Piaget. Piaget.
I think it's Piaget.
Piaget. Piaget. Jewelries.
Okay, come. And then we're turning to your kanan. Ay, to your kaliwa.
Oh wow! There's Alexander McQueen coming soon. Uh-oh. Where's your Alexander McQueen scarf?
Why are you touching
Here
everything?
in the side of Yorkdale Mall, there's more luxury brands. You see, there's Versace, and then there's Cartier in the corner for expensive jewelry, and Holt Renfrew is a big store of luxury products.
Ripping like gold. You got me so wild. Ripping like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
So these are bracelets, right? Those are bracelets. Holy moly! I don't know how much are this. They don't even have tags. Oh, no price tag. Oh wow! How much would that be? Cartier. Okay, germs gone before you go inside the store. Okay, so let's go look at the different brands here. Christian Louboutin. This is what the Filipino superstars are using, these shoes. There's Gucci, there's Chanel. These are the fancy bags. Everything Burberry. Oh, I like this one. Very handy. And the hat. They also have nice jackets of Burberry. Okay, this is Rimowa. An expensive line of luggages. You know what? I'm wanting to buy a new luggage because traveling season is back. But look at this one. This is $900. Oh my gosh. $900 for this one. Oh. La Mer. This is what the Hollywood actresses are using. Anti-aging cream. Like this one. It's very expensive. They don't even display the price. But they say this is very nice and very effective. Oh, this is what Cher is using. I heard. Maybe I would try it. Longchamp. This one we can afford. Longchamp is not very, very expensive. But the leather ones are also quite expensive. But there are canvases, so I have one like that. There's Chanel, but I'm scared to go there. There's security guard in all the doors. Maybe they will look at my pocket, how much money I have. I don't know what's making this products very expensive. Those bling bling would cost more than 2 months of my salary maybe. Haha. See, I don't know. But it's so expensive. This brands. Anyway, if I have money, I will buy a lot. Beyonce and me. I was so close to Beyonce. Prada is known for nice leather. It's well polished and expensive. Nice. I like Prada. Celine also has security guard. Bottega Veneta, Valentino. Wow. I like the bags of Valentino. And here Dior. Dior. I like the coat. This coat will be very nice. This coat will be very nice if I go to a party this winter. This is where I got mine. Gucci. There's Rolex store, but it became smaller now. And there's Omega. They say Omega ones. Rolex and Omega. The price would be more expensive than my house. Yeah. I'm like in a real garden. Nice. Like a tropical garden. This is like the little Times Square of New York. Or it's like the mini Trafalgar Square of London. So this is called Dundas Square. Dundas Square of Toronto. Hello my dear viewers and subscribers. Thank you very much for always watching. To those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and give me some like. Press the like button, the notification bell so you can see all my videos.
Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.